Yeah, Peter Harding's the name. We currently live at the Vantage Harvey Bay over 50s resort and been here about 3 months. One of the first things we considered doing after we moved in here, not knowing the alignment of the house, but because we'd had ThermaDoor in previous houses, one of the first things we considered doing was having ThermaDoor insulation installed to our garage door. Not only is it make it cooler in summer and in winter if you get the winter sun on the face of it, but it also reduces noise levels. You get the seals on the outside that stop bugs and bits and pieces from coming in. I guess embers that there's a fire around. For us it was a no-brainer. We've had it before, twice before, probably over the last 10 or 12 years, so it was a no-brainer to get it again. When we chose to go with Peter with ThermaDoor, we actually looked around and looking at what we saw, we were convinced that ThermaDoor was the way to go. So we didn't actually get anyone else to come and give us a quote or anything like that. We decided to go straight with Peter and ThermaDoor, and we certainly weren't disappointed. He's never disappointed us yet, put it that way. I mean, the product can be installed by the person who's buying it if you want to, but I couldn't be bothered with that. I'd rather get installed by the people who I guess came up with the idea in the first place. They install it properly. I don't have to worry about it. I've got better things to worry about than installing panels on doors. I'll leave that up to Peter. I'd say definitely do it, especially if your house faces west where the summer sun hits the garage door full on. It makes a huge difference. We've had houses where it's been full on in summer and partially in summer, and I'd be telling them get it done, because what you pay, you get the rewards back in a much cooler. A lot of these houses have insulation in the ceiling, but they don't insulate the garage. And by doing this on your garage door, it reduces the heat in your garage. And for me, that's my play area. That's my little workshop, my fishing storage area, my boat storage area. I'd rather it be a little bit cooler if I could. And I'd be telling them, get it done, definitely. ThermaDoor in one sentence to me would be quality product installed by a guy who knows what he's doing, and prompt, reliable service, and more than competitively priced.